Good afternoon. My name is Thijs Pretorius, so I'm from Woolworths. Like I said, I've sat in your chairs a long time ago. I'm not going to give my age away. But I think for me, whatever you've learned this 9 days that it took, and going back to workplace to put it into practice, I think that's the things you have to practice daily. Sometimes you get into operational issues and you might find you forget some of the basic fundamentals. And I think continuously practicing, talking, and also look yourself in the mirror and see. I mean, some of you have big teams. I mean, I think Mandla's got about 120 odd people a day reporting into him. So sometimes that gets hectic. And when we have high volumes, you cannot stand behind and wait. You get the guys to do things. So for me, I think to everybody, and it's like a big group, just keep on practicing, do what you do best, and yeah, I think, like I said, hopefully things turn out in your different areas. You might move to other areas as well. Like I said, retail is not everybody's got similar type of management. Leadership is something you can continuously practice. So enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.